Hi, this is Rory with Cloth Diapers United, and today I wanted to share my #1 tip when learning about cloth diapers and trying to figure out cloth diapering. And that is, when you're trying to figure out something that has to do with cloth diapers, if possible, Google your question without specifically saying it's about cloth diapers, because like the second you put in cloth diaper, you don't know what you're gonna get. I discovered this when I was trying to figure out, when I was trying to write an article and was trying to just figure out if bleach would kill mold in cloth diapers. When you search, does bleach kill mold in cloth diapers? What's gonna come up over and over is yes, yes it does, this is how you do it, yes. If you just Google, does bleach kill mold? The answer is no, says the EPA. Bleach will kill like surface mold. So if you've got like a moldy countertop, as long as it's a non-porous material, you can wipe that, you can bleach that and wipe that sucker off. It'll kill very easy to get to mold. But if it's like in the layers of the cloth diaper, it's not going to kill that mold. It doesn't kill mold spores. It just doesn't. Then there is like detergent buildup. If you Google detergent buildup, like can detergent build up in cloth diapers, you get this ginormous debate. So who knows? But if you Google, can detergent build up in clothes? The answer is yes, says Arm & Hammer, who makes a detergent. And to be fair, could they be a little biased? Yes, because the Arm & Hammer also makes the washing soda, which is one of the things you would use to strip the clothes. The other detergent companies that I looked up were kind of like, it can, but typically that's not the problem. And they are like, if you're having stink issues, try our scent beads. So they weren't as helpful. Now, I didn't try like every single detergent. I just looked up the two main ones, but that's just two things I have specifically Googled and then thought to maybe let's see what happens if I run that through the search without putting in the cloth diaper, and you get vastly different answers. And I'm not saying never go to a actual website on cloth diapers to get your answer for something. I'm saying double check it, just in case, like just in case. Because I always thought that that's what you do. I thought everyone used bleach on mold, but bleach doesn't kill mold. You're gonna want like vinegar. I think it was baking soda can do it. I will link the article. I think I said in the article what'll actually do it. If you are having trouble figuring this out, or if you have moldy diapers and the mold keeps not going away, try Googling it without the cloth diaper part. And I have to say, I would Google it with the cloth diaper part first, because these articles would probably have exact measurements and could show, like, could at least make sure it's even mold. Like maybe that's not mold, maybe that's just a stain. But if it is mold and we're using something kind of harsh like bleach, we just like double check it quick. So I am going to link an article by the EPA on the whole bleach thing. And I'm also going to link the Arm & Hammer article on the detergent buildup thing, as well as my article on bleach and mold, so that if you're wondering how that even works and how you do in fact get mold out of cloth diapers, all the stuff my research told me is in that article. So that is all. See ya.